there to help you.
Nigute namenya ubuhanuzi bw'ibinyoma, nigute namenya ubuhanuzi bw'ukuri?
And how can I know the fake prophecy and the true prophecy?
Ubuhanuzi bw'ukuri,
The true prophecy,
Imana yivuze,
when God talks,
mu mutima hahita hazamo ijambo rivuga ngo
in your heart there is always going to be a word which says,
iyi ni Imana, iki ni icubahiro c'Imana,
this
hari
is
icyo
God
Imana
and this is
ikoze
the
ku
glory of
buzima
God
bwawe.
and this is what God has done in your life.
Satani nubwo yaza ije kukubwira ngo ariko ibi bintu bishobora kutazaba,
Even though Satan is going to come across saying that maybe this is not going to come to
uhita
pass,
utangira kuvuga ati ico nemera nuko Imana yavuze,
you're going to start saying that I believe that God has said something.
nibitaba kuri nge bizaba ku mwana wanjye,
If it doesn't happen to me, it might happen to my offspring.
ariko
to
Imana
my children.
ibivuze izabikora.
But when God says something, He's going to do it.
Hazamo confirmation ikomeye
There
yo
is
mu
going to
mutima
come
ivuga
through
ngo Imana
A
irakomeye
very
irahari.
strong confirmation which says that God is strong.
Umwanzi nubwo yabirwanya,
Even though the devil can try to fight it,
ariko haba habanje kuzamo ijambo rikubwira ngo birashoboka.
but there is a word which is going to come through your mind and heart which say that it's possible.
Naho ubuhanuzi bw'ibinyoma
And now the fake prophecy,
buza bugenzurwa n'ubwenge.
it will always be supervised by your brain, by your mind.
Mwankurikiye neza?
Have you followed?
Ubwenge bw'umuntu
Your brain, your mind,
buza bugenzura ubuhanuzi bw'ikinyoma kandi bigakunda.
it's going to oversee the fake prophecy and it's going to be
Ubwenge
possible.
buza butinyisha ubuhanuzi bw'ikinyoma.
Your mind is going to decrease the energy of the fake prophecy.
Umuhanuzi w'ikinyoma
The person who is giving the fake prophecy,
aguhanuriye ibintu bitari byo.
the fake prophet when is giving fake
Iyo
prophecy,
umukanze
when you,
ariruka.
he's going to run.
Iyo umurebye mu maso
When you look at him straight in his eyes,
agira ubwoba.
he's going to have fear.
Iyo abonye uramutumbereye ukamutumbira
When he
ukamwitegereza,
sees that you're looking straight into his eyes,
atangira kumva agize gushidikanya muri we,
he's going to start feeling anxiety in himself
kubera ko ntabwo yatumwe n'Imana.
because he was not sent by God.
Ku manywa hari uwabivuze,
And there is one who talked about it.
aravuga ngo yari yicaranye n'umuntu ku ntebe,
He said that he was sitting with someone on a chair,
ngo atangira kuvuga mu ndimi,
and he started talking in
atigisa intebe
tongues.
bicayeho,
He started shaking the chair that they were seated on,
arambwira ngo ceceka,
and then he told him, keep quiet.
kuranyeganyeza intebe nicayeho.
You are shaking the chair on which I'm sitting on,
kandi va,
and go away from here.
ahita aceceka
He kept quiet,
kandi arahunga aragiye
and
arimo.
he even stood up and went.
Umuntu usanzwe atinyisha, aravuga none se ni gute njyewe nk'umuntu usanzwe natinyisha Imana, nabwira Imana ngo
Someone
niceceke
who
gake.
is normal and like me, how can I make God fear and run away?
Urumva abanyabwenge ukuntu bakora?
That is how the wise people work.
Ntabwo ushobora gucecekesha Imana yavuze.
You cannot make God keep quiet if he's the one who is talking.
Icyatumye atinyuka kumubwira ngo naceceke,
What made him have the energy to tell him
nuko
to
yari
keep
yamaze
quiet?
kumugenzura abona ko atari Imana irimo
It's
imukorera.
because he had already analyzed him and found out that it's not God who is working through him.
Nzahanure nurangiza unyitegereze umbwire ngo Bishop urabeshe cyangwa ceceke.
One day let me prophesy and then just look straight into my eyes and tell me that you're lying, keep quiet.
Uzabimbwire nahanuye urebe ko bikunda.
Tell it to me when I am giving the prophecy and you see if it's going to
Impamvu
work.
bitakunda,
One
Imana
thing that
yambwiye
the reason as to why it's because when God told me
ukambwira ngo
something
urabeshe,
and he tells me that,
nguha
and he tells me that I'm
ibimenyetso
lying,
ugomba kubona utarasohoka aho uri.
I'm going to give you what you're going to see, the signs that you're going to see before you
Iyo
go out from
duhanura
where you
hari
are.
igihe abantu ushobora guhanura ndi hano imbere,
Sometimes I prophesy when I'm here in front.
muri yanje iyo mpanuye mba nibitseho ibimenyetso
When I'm giving prophecy, I also have signs to them.
bitari kimwe, bishobora kuba n'icumi,
It's not only one, sometimes they're even 10.
kubera ko umuhanuzi w'Imana
Because a prophet of God,
aba yiteguye n'urubanza.
he's ready for
Iyo
judgment.
duhanuye tuba twiteguye ko ejo bashobora bakakubaza ngo bya bintu wahanuye muri bibiri bisubiremo.
When I give prophecy, I'm ready for judgment tomorrow, where people are going to be asking the prophecy you gave.
ubu abantu
to
bashobora
can you
kumbaza
repeat it?
ubuhanuzi bwo muri 90 nahanuye
People can even ask me the prophecy I prophesied
nje
in
mba
1990.
mbwiteguye
I'm always ready.
kuko umunsi umwe nshobora
Because
guhura
one
n'umuntu
day-
akambwira ngo muri 90
I can meet someone and tells me in
Wahanuye ibintu
1990
bitanu.
you prophesied 5 things.
icyo mbabwira gusa ndamubwira ati ni ibihe nahanuye
What I ask them, I'm going to ask them, what did I prophesy?
akabivuga
He's going to say them.
iyo abivuze ari nje wabihanuye
When he says them, when I'm the one who prophesied them,
bihita bigaruka
they are going to come back.
kamubwira ati nije wabihanuye koko
I'm going to say that I'm the one who prophesied this.
wabisubiramo
Can you repeat it?
reka nguhe ibimenyetso
I'm going to say that let me give you the signs to
ntabwo
it.
ubuhanuzi busaza
Prophecy does not get old.
nta nubwo bwibagirana
Prophecy does not be forgotten.
wowe gusa umbwiye
You
ibyo ari
just, when
byo
you tell me what it
kandi
is,
umbwiye ukabesha ukambwira ibyo ntahanuye
and if you tell me what I didn't prophesy,
nakubwira ntoya
I'm going to tell you no,
wayobye genda ubaza abandi
that I'm not the one you go ask other people.
kuko ibyo nje nahanuye
Because what I prophesied,
imana yambwiye
what God told me,
irabinyibutsa
He's going to help me remember
ikampa
it.
ahubwo n'ibindi birenze
And He's
ibyo
also going to
wavuze
give me more prophecy to what
kandi
I
ikaguha
told.
n'ibimenyetso
And He's also going to give me
ni
signs
gute
to
imana
it.
itanga ibimenyetso iyo ari imana ivuze
How does God give signs when He's the one who...
kuko
who
mba
does-
mpanurira
who
umuntu
is
ufite
talking?
ubwenge busanzwe
Because I'm giving the prophecy for
mba
someone
niteguye
who
ko
is thinking
atagomba kuzumva
nobody as a
atagomba no
human.
kubyemera
I'm ready that he's not going to think about it as I
agize
think about it.
amatsiko
And even
akambaza
when he has the need to ask me
akambwira ngo
about
ndashaka
it,
ibimenyetso
he's going to ask me that for signs.
ndabimuha
I'm going to give them to him.
emerine ikimenyetso naguha ni iki
Emmeline, what is the sign that I can give you?
ushobora kubona nti ntabwo nemeye ibyo mbwiye bishop niba ari imana ibivuze ni ibisubiremo
You can tell me that I don't allow what you're talking about. If it's God saying it,
ushobora
repeat it.
kukubwira ngo uzongera ugire apeti nyuma y'imyaka 2
I can tell you that you're going to have appetite after 2 years.
uzaza urya ariko udafite apeti
You're going to be eating but without appetite.
kuko ari imana ibivuze
Because it's God who has said it.
apeti ifite igenda
The appetite is completely going to go.
amen
Amen.
kuko ndakanwa k'imana
Because
navuze
I am-
nk'imana
Because
yatumye
I am a vessel of God and I'm talking as God.
mpita nguha ibimenyetso bituma utazongera no gushidikanya imana
I'm going to give you signs to show you that it was really God.
amen
Amen.
ubana n'umugabo utazawerekwa
You're going to believe with a man who doesn't receive
ngahita
prophecy.
nkubwira ngo umugabo wawe agiye kuza kwerekwa buri mugoroba
And I'm going to tell you that your husband is going to be portraying or having prophecy about you every evening.
umugabo wawe yataha
When your husband comes home,
akaguha amakuru y'ibintu byose wiriwemo
and he's going to give you all the information about all the things that you spent your day in.
kubera ko ari umuhanuzi wabivuze
Because it's a prophet who said so.
umugabo wawe agatangira kuza kwerekwa buri munsi
Your husband is directly going to be having vision
kikaba
of you,
ikimenyetso gikomeye
and that is going to be a very
mureke
great
imana
sign.
tuyihe amashyi
Let us give a round of applause to God.